Hello and welcome to the platform. This is a live recording, recorded about a week or two ago. This is the Binance platform. I'm trading Link See here, this is a perpetual futures contract. That's a mouthful, I'll tell you. Anyway, you can select your ratio of margin with the futures contract, and right now I've got a 30 times margin ratio and a 300 USDT account. I'm short Link obviously, and I'm up about 160 bucks right now. Link I'm posting here in the troll box. It's kind of a neat little platform. You can chat with other traders, and it's kind of a universal chat with the platform. It's quite nice. Got some emojis and stuff too. You can play around with. Anyway, you can see here we're breaking the 200,000 mark on the volume on the lower time frame. I zoom out to the 1 hour here, and I'm looking for a place to cover my short here. I've got 351. Actually, I'm going to add a little bit. So I just added a little bit. So I'm up. I got 563 Link short from this point right here. I'm up $396, $399, $400. I'm just looking for a place to buy these coins off at a good profit. So I'm up just over 500 bucks. It's perfect right about here. So I'm just posting in chat. I'm talking a little bit, talking a little smack, but whatever. I'm gonna take the 500 bucks, I think. So I'm just gonna cover it right here. Click. So I'm just gonna fire it off right here. 460 bucks. I don't care. I missed the 500 right on the nose, but whatever. I'm gonna get back in. So I don't care. I think I still see weakness, so I'm just gonna get back in. Not a huge position because I'm double dipping right now. Like I've already made the trade. This is kind of the cherry on the top. So I'm up 40 bucks right now. I got 380 Link short again, and hopefully this doesn't bite me in the butt. But the volume's coming in, and we are pushing down. I'm posting this trade. I'm up 100 bucks again. So it's looking all right. And if the volume continues just like that, we can see some pretty sharp or drastic moves like that. And wow, we're up $257. I'm going to take this off the board or right about here, I think. Yep, click, 230 bucks. What happened? What the heck happened? That was quick. So that's how you take a $300 USD or 300 USDT account and turn it into 1,000.